everybody, I hope you're all well and had a good weekend. So today we're going to be having a look at the raised satin stitches. Raised satin stitches we're going to be using here on the tops of our acorns and then on these grapes which come down. So we're doing the satin stitch in a double thread, so we'll be using our silver needles. And Philippa says when we're doing the acorns, always begin from the base and go to the tip, so we're going to go across upwards and divide the acorn in half, and then we're going to work from the tip to the outer edges, so we'll do that way and then we'll go that way on the acorn. And then usually you'll do, Philippa says for these big ones especially, do 3 layers, so you'll do one where you cover the whole tip of the acorn, and then when you go on to do the second layer, leave the last 2 stitches and don't double that up. And then when it comes to doing the final layer, just do the centre and then the stitch either side, and that's how you get that lovely raised look of it. So I haven't actually stitched any of the grapes yet, and I'm looking forward to doing this because the colours of them are absolutely gorgeous. So with the grapes, Philippa says create the grapes in the satin stitch, divide the lowest grape in half with the first stitch, work one half and then work the other, which is like what we were saying with the tops of the acorns. So we're going to work from this bottom grape, and then it looks like we gradually work up to the top, like in here. So I'm really looking forward to starting these grapes, mainly because the colours are absolutely gorgeous. So we've got 227, 226 and 225, and I really like these reddy pinks, and I think it's going to look really nice against, especially because we've used majority of the colours of being those greens and blues. It'll be nice to have a pop of colour again, like when we did this gorgeous flower over here, which I enjoyed doing too. So I hope that you found this video useful. Tomorrow we'll be going on to our next stitch to go over, which will be the closed fly stitch. So yeah, I hope you have found this useful, and I will see you tomorrow.